In this segment, we're going to cover installing the hoses and the ground strap. Unfortunately, we failed to remember, if you remember back in one of the earlier segments when we removed it, we left that nut off so we didn't have to take it off again when we removed the valve cover. Unfortunately, I have to remove the one nut that it fastens to so we can fasten it. So many things in automotive repair require a chronological order. Sometimes you find yourself doing something twice if you don't follow it. So we've connected our ground strap, and we just want to tighten that down. And then we have our crankcase ventilation hose back here. And we just slide the hose over the fitting. And then we have a spring clamp that we need to compress and slide down and put over the nipple. Just use a pair of needle nose pliers. Slide the clamp down as far as possible. Oops. Come back here. Compress it. And just very gradually wiggle it down in position. Keeping your fingers away from it. When if they slip off the pliers and snap open, it can sting you. Pretty good. I try and keep my fingers out of the strike zone. And once you get it slid up, just release it and check it, make sure it's tight. Now we got the hose connected and the ground strap connected. Please watch our next segment on installing the plug wires and distributor cap.